Let's take a look at this Camaro just in a unique, especially in classics. You definitely don't see a lot of these around. This is a 2010 ZL575 supercharged Camaro by SLP Performance Parts. This is actually number 96. They do have a sequence, and they are numbered. Total production of these 219. 79 were black, and then 31 with the orange stripes. This particular car is black with the infernal orange interior. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 14,000 on it. Of course, a 6.2 liter underneath the hood, and we're going to get into what else has been done to that 6.2 liter underneath the hood, and 6-speed manual transmission paired up with that. Go ahead and take a look at the front fascia. Again, 2-owner car, well taken care of and maintained, and it shows. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you'll be able to see some of the things I'm going to hit upon and talk about. You'll also be able to check out the pictures I have of the window stickers, the upgrades that SLP does, some other upgrades that were done on top of that. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. So this starts out as a 2010 Camaro. You can see the window sticker for it on our website in the still pictures. Then you're also going to see that this has had a SLP second stage package added to it, which is over $30,000. After that, previous owner had the third stage supercharger package upgrade done. You can also see some Brembo brakes behind there. And I believe those are 2011 ZL1 wheels. Correct me if I'm wrong. Riding on the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. That infernal orange interior. Of course, stitching for the SLP ZL575 package. Now, when you go to the third stage package from SLP on this one, this is 660 horse and 640 pound-feet of torque to the flywheel, and to the rear wheels 560 horse, 545 pound-feet of torque, and that's to the rear wheels. Again, only 219 of these built, 79 were black, 31 were orange striped. We're going to start it up here in a bit. Let's hear it run first. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Are a few things that are going to come with it. As you can see, Camaro floor mats. There's also an SCT tuner and an air cleaner cover with 3 signatures on there. FYI, those signatures are from the president and vice president of SLP, as well as the Camaro assistant brand manager. When we start it up, you're going to hear a nice rumble coming out of this car. Good sounding car. SLP loudmouth axle back exhaust. I'm going to get in the interior. I'm going to show you a line lock that is also on it. The best way to see about this car and check it out is look in the still pictures. Right, close to 100 pictures of this car online, and then go to the notes that are taken and typed out in the still pictures, basically window stickers and what's been done to this car. I will not be able to hit upon everything that has been done in the videos. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. You're also going to see a nice video of this car going down the road and being driven on our website. Paint obviously shows well. There's a reflection all the way to the front door. And again, clean Carfax, so no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, 2-owner car. When you look at the underside pictures, you're also going to see some Hotchkiss equipment underneath there, a chassis brace as well as strut brace. Comes with both keys and fobs, as well as the SLP numerical keychain. So it's all here. There's also a folder of receipts, manila envelope, I should say, of receipts. There's dyno sheets on this. And again, there's the original window sticker from Chevy on the Camaro, and then also SLP on that stage 2. And then there is additional notes and write up what has been done after the fact. So not your ordinary everyday Camaro. Take a look at the condition of the seats. As you can see, leather, the bolster, seating area, all nice shape. Particular car also equipped with the power sunroof or moonroof. Of course, steering wheel controls. You can have all of the standard equipment that you're going to get, and you'll be able to see that once again on the window sticker from Chevrolet for this Camaro. Now, let's go ahead and start this up. First, I want to explain a little line lock here. So, open up what would have been basically your cigarette lighter cover compartment, if you will. If you push this, that is going to turn on the line lock, and that line lock is that red button right there. So you can see it is lit up. Once I turn the key on, turn it back off, you will not be able to use the line lock. So that initiates it, turns it on, and then this is actual put it to use button. All right, here's your exact miles, 14,293. All right, I'm going to show you there's no warning indicators, no check engine lights, anything like that. All gauges are working. Another gauge added in the vent. And again, check out the description of things that were done on this car in the still pictures. There's a couple, 2-3 lists, window stickers. Always stock looking interior with the exception of some of the ZL575 badging that was done at SLP. Alright. As you can hear, nice sounding car. Nothing crazy over the top. Just a very nice sounding exhaust system. Get it out on the road and get after it. And it'll bark. No doubt about that. Get an idea how it sounds. Let's slip up to the front. You're going to notice a little different hood, of course, on this one. I'm going to go ahead and pause this. I want to pop the hood. We're going to check out the engine bay. We'll wrap this video up. And here we go, the hood popped. Check out this engine bay. There's that Hotchkiss strut tower brace, orange highlights underneath the hood as well. Supercharged 6.2 liter. You can hear how smooth it is. Very well done. SLP batwing. Cold air intake, of course. Just a nice, tidy, clean engine bay. And remember, 560 horsepower to the rear wheels. It's to the rear wheels. 545 pound-feet of torque. Again, to the rear wheels. Only 219 total he's built.
Here we have a 2010 Chevrolet Camaro ZL575. We're going to take it for a drive. This is the SLP version of the Camaro. This is a 6-speed transmission. Excellent. We got everything working, oil pressure, volts, oil temperature, trans temperature are all reading. Blower fan. vibrations, no shakes. She goes straight down the road, no pull. Brakes straight. All indicators are working. Fun car.
This one does have that third stage supercharger package upgrade. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, a little over 14,000 miles. 200 car, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.